Okay, so we got this set of 6 roll spools of velvet ribbon. You can see they come on these wooden spools here. They sent these to us so we could show them to you. And what we did was we used them here on our little baby Christmas tree. You can see we put like the little bows all over our little baby Christmas tree here, around the tree skirt here and stuff, and just put them all over our little baby Christmas tree. And where else? I'll show you here where else we did. Over here on our Christmas goose. Look at, our Christmas goose got some too. So yeah, we got them all over the place. So there's some on the package of the Christmas goose, and there's some on the Christmas goose's head. And so like we just got them all over the place. So yeah, it's very fun. Anyway, they sent these to us, and it was a roll of 6. I mean, it was 6 rolls of them in these different colors. Like you got kind of the golden yellow one, and the white, and the kind of olive green. And I used the bright green and the bright red and the gold on the different things, like the Christmas tree and the goose and stuff like that. But yeah, super cool. Thanks for sending those to us. Makes the holidays that much brighter.